Ningda Ninglong has been the trusted manufacturing partner for the client of Worldwide. The factory, powered by 57 dedicated professionals, is more than just a production facility. It's your complete solution for painting by numbers. Step into our sample room and see the possibilities. From classic frame canvases to modern multi-panel wall art, we offer an extensive range of styles and sizes. But the true magic lies in customization. We bring your unique vision to life. Using advanced AI technology, our design team can transform any photo into a custom kit in just hours. Your brand identity is seamlessly integrated with your logo printed directly onto the premium 280-gram cotton canvas and the qualified packaging. This commitment to your brand extends to our production floor. With a library of over 2,000 colors and precision calibration instruments, we guarantee color accuracy and consistency in every single kit. Quality and compliance are the bedrock of our operation. We pass SDS tests, ensuring our products meet the strictest safety standards for the European and American markets. Every component undergoes rigorous inspection by our QC team before shipping. Our robust supply chain and vast warehouse, stocked with materials like wooden frames and canvas, ensure we are always ready for your orders. We operate like a well-oiled machine capable of shipping over 3,000 orders daily to destinations across the globe. We are your reliable logistics partner. Our philosophy is simple. You focus on building your brand and driving sales. We handle everything else, from production to shipping and after-sales service.